Who doesn't like a great deal and discount? Certainly, Amazon knows that deals and discounts will increase sales. Hence, Amazon has provided us sellers multiple ways of discounting products and attracting more customers into our product pages. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on coupons, limited time offers, as well as strike-through discount pricing. So let's get started. Now, it's not true that Amazon customers are just simply looking for deals, but they do like all customers, like I do myself, they do like seeing something that is discounted because it gets them a little bit more excited. As you can see right here, this is an example, a strike-through pricing, which unfortunately isn't always available for sellers, and I'm going to discuss this in a few minutes. But strike-through pricing is certainly one of the best ways that Amazon can get customers to be excited about the products.
Scroll through this Amazon page and let's look at all of the options and opportunities sellers have created in order to entice customers. First and foremost, this seller that happens to be the best seller actually has a strike-through price, which is kind of one of the best ways to attract customers. There is this seller that has a limited time deal, which is also very attractive because it is a limited time deal. And it's really highlighted with a big box in red. And then finally, the last seller on the page has actually created a coupon code, which is additionally very attractive because it also has a box that's highlighted in green.
And as you can see, Amazon has recently added the amount of sales that a product is getting to also entice customers to feel motivated that this could be a potentially good product.
Another way that Amazon has created in order to convert more viewers into actual shoppers is by simply adding how many units the product has sold. This is not only visible to you as an Amazon seller, this is also visible to all customers. So, of course, it's very enticing for a customer to see that this product has sold 800 units in the past month. Even though this product doesn't really have a bestseller, well, it does have the Amazon choice, but still seeing the amount of units that other customers have bought can certainly be a way to convert more customers. What do you think?
Hi, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll break down how you can create a coupon code and how you can create a limited time offer and what options you have as a new seller, things to watch out for, which would be the best option for you as well. Now, with that being said, certainly having a dynamic pricing strategy, constantly adding coupons, discounting, added limited time offers is certainly a great way to go because it does increase your clicks, your click-through rate, and it does increase the possibility of customers purchasing your product. But you need to be aware of your selling costs so that you don't end up selling your products lower than what you actually paid for, so lower than your costs. Before I get started, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment or a question or even a suggestion for another video in the comment section below. Amazon Sellers Society is a certified Amazon service provider and ads agency based in the UAE and supporting sellers all across Amazon in the Middle East as well as Turkey. We have so many programs that we run for sellers just like yourself that are starting out or even sellers that are struggling a little bit and need help and support. Reach out to our team, book a call, understand a little bit more about how we can help you. You'll find all of the details on our website linked in the description box below, or simply go to www.assmiddleeast.org. As always, don't forget we have a free training in the description box as well, where you can get some tips and tricks about selling on Amazon. Let's get started with option number one, which is a coupon. A coupon looks like this on Amazon and it's very eye-catching. It certainly allows the customer to to buy a product and get a nice deal on that product. Coupon is one of the first things that you can launch as an Amazon seller because the criteria of launching a coupon, which I will leave on the screen as well, is quite easy and simple, and you can certainly get started with a coupon.
Simply go to your advertising menu, and this is where you're going to find coupons as well as deals. Let's click on coupons. All you really need to do is just come and click here on create a new coupon. After that, you're going to have to select the type of audience. Do you want all all customers or certain program, a certain brand. Let's just say all customers. And then all you really need to do is to add all of the ASINs that you want in order to participate in the coupon. After which, Amazon will simply ask you which amount of coupon you would like to create. By the way, creating a coupon code is free of charge. However, you will be discounting the product, so make sure you do your calculations.
Even though I like coupons, let's jump and talk about limited time offers. That's also a very attractive way of discounting a product. It looks like this, and it's actually a very attractive way to attract more customers into your product pages. Now, unfortunately, one of the negative things about limited time offers is that you cannot enroll by yourself for yourself. It's on Amazon's criteria, so sometimes you might log into the Teals page and find that there's nothing really that is approved for you to have a deal on. And also limited time offers, the timing is specified by Amazon and not by you. These are the criteria that you need to be aware of, and let me show you how and where you can create a limited time offer.
Once you're in this page, simply click on Create a New Deal. After which, Amazon will tell you which products are eligible for deals and which type of deal is it. Is it a lightning deal? Is it a 7-day deal? And if you're happy with the product that they have suggested, you simply need to click on Select. After you select, Amazon will tell you that it's, for example, here a 7-day deal, and then they will tell you what is the window that is available for you to advertise this product under. Now, let's select this date and then click on Continue to Next Step. Next step, Amazon will tell you what is the minimum discount that you can do for this product for it to be eligible to be added in the limited time offer or whatever discount is available for it. And if it makes sense for you and your calculations, then you can simply select and then click on Submit Deal.
And that's it for this video. Let me know which one is your favorite method of discounting products. If you're new to selling on Amazon, as an Amazon customer, which one of these ways of discounting actually catches your attention more? Leave me all of your comments in the comments section below. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.